Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina, and today we're going to get into how I made my new front door sign for summertime. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for all my subscribers that I have here today, and anyone new, thank you for watching, and please join me as I do DIY projects and lifestyle content. Today we're doing a front door sign for the summertime. I'm trying to create a new sign for my front door, and I wanted really a summer theme. So I am going to do a lot of blues and a lot of whites and a lot of yellows. I also put in what you needed to start this project. I listed all out for you. So let's get into it and let's start creating. As you start to put your colors onto the board, this part is very time consuming, so take your time with it. Do not rush the dripping of the paint. Just let it do its thing. It's gonna move a little slow. You're gonna have to push it along a little bit, but make sure you keep the pattern that you want to keep. I was trying to keep like a wavy look to it, so I made sure my brush was in that direction as well, and also in the same direction, so that way it all flows nicely together and you won't try to correct so much. So have patience at this part and it will come out great. This was a quick and easy project that came out lovely. I love it. I accomplished my goal. I think it looks very summerish, and I cannot wait to put it on my front door. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.